Guys, it's JetRex113 here, and today I am back on Minecraft. Today I'm being joined by my cousin. I got this large tree. So, in between episodes, I got back to my house and I built it. I got some windows. This is my house. I'm with my cousin. Seems like he's not moving now. Here. On my screen, they're not moving. It's weird. Oh. It's because I was, oh, there you are. Am I moving? Where are you? I got wood for you if you need any. Where are you? Oh. Yeah, I built that bridge since I did it, here. Jordan. Okay, I'm gonna expand my house. Let's expand, this way would be a good way, but my glasses there, so probably not. Ooh, right here. Oh, wait. Yeah, Jordan, if you ever need stone, where is it? There's like a stone mine here. Like on this island. Right here. Underneath you, Jordan, there's a stone mine. Look. So if you ever need stone, underneath, where you just, like right next to my house, there's a stone mine. So, stone should not be a problem, buddy. Okay. Ooh, I'm hungry. Do I have any food cooking? Let's see. Nope. Here, let me make sticks quickly. Grab this. Do that. Make sticks. Yeah, when we get mods, we're going to be doing that on the channel, guys, so don't worry. Crazy crafts, yeah, that would be fun. I want to do, like, yeah, we could. Oh, you're building your house there? You're building your house there? If you ever want stone, come to my island. I have all that stone there. Okay, I'm gonna go kill some animals. Don't worry, I'll be fine. It doesn't at all, does it? Ooh, a brown sheep and a white sheep. Jordan, I found a brown sheep and a white sheep. Ooh, a cow. I'm coming, Mr. Cow. Ooh, mushroom, that's cool. Hey, Jordan. I found a brown sheep and a white sheep. Found two sheeps. Could have sworn. Dude, come towards me. There's like 6 cows over here. Oh. Yeah, dude, come to where I am. If you want food, come here. Okay, I'm gonna be making leather armor soon. Come on. Mr. Cow, don't make this hard. I don't want to do this, but kinda have to. It's me or you, and it's gonna be me. How much leather do I have? Only 3. I need 4 pieces of leather. I'm sorry, Mr. Cow. I want a crafting table to make me some boots. There we go, 4 pieces. crafting table. Now, leather. Bada bing. Bada boom, leather boots. Yay, leather boots. Now I'm gonna go cook up my 6 raw beef dudes. Oh my goodness. 6 raw beef. Wait. Slash spawn. Dang it. It won't let me run. Okay. Oh my goodness, I found a field of flowers. Beautiful flowers. Let's go, I don't want to die of hunger. I'm going to be able to get a pork chop. If I have bones, I mean no. Okay. Where's the house? There it is. Oh, well, that's his. Whoa. Yeah? Okay. 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 Guys, I think that's gonna have to end this episode here. I hope you've all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Sarah.